Good evening, comrades. In case you were wondering what this light is, it was traction control off, because that's how we roll. Welcome to the RingTracktor full of crap. Yeah, because I actually drove from Croatia back to the Nürburgring, and on the way back I stopped by to make it not only full of crap, but full of also something very useful. Namely, I'm here at ProTrack wheels. So let's go say hi to Chris and tell you why I'm here. Hello, hello. How's life?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Good. So what do we do? Kickstand, elbow, or like what?
Well,
or yeah,
whatever you want.
Nice. So what do we have here?
Yes, a new set of ProTracks with Nankang AR1.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, to get a little bit quicker.
A bit quicker, yes.
A bit quicker and a little bit more grip.
Just a little bit. Yeah. No, yeah. I've been always saying that, well, these tires have been already reached their limit when it comes to on-track performance on the track, and a lot of people have been saying like, hey, why don't you try tire X or tire B or tire C? Well, yeah, from day one we've been running Nankang AR1s on our taxis. Well, not from day one, but let's say from year two. We've been always, that was our to-go-to tire on the rental cars, on taxis, on private cars. Robert has been running on his supercars, hypercars, whatever you name it, and this would eventually come on here. The problem is that I'm still using this car as a daily driver to drive from Croatia and to the Nürburgring and back. And you think it's gonna fit? Yeah, we'll need some camber.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll work with it. Yeah, so I needed a set of street tires, and if I'm gonna put AR1s on it, yeah, that's probably not the best idea. First of all, they're loud. Second of all, in the rain, it's not the best optimal situation. So with these tires, I can still go 140, 160 on the highway and have no issues with that. So I needed a second set of wheels, and now we have it. So thank you very much, ProTrack. And yeah, with set of AR1s, which should decrease times and increase fun on the track. We still need to put different suspension on, because this is going to be pretty wiggly and yeah, not the best idea with the stock suspension. However, it might be actually a very interesting idea to show you what it actually does. And having said that, so we have 225, 45, 17. Yep. Second set of wheels. Can you maybe tell us more about the wheels itself? Because we get a lot of questions from people like, why, how do you get TÜV, do you do this? And like, I'm always just tagging you on Instagram so you can answer all the questions, but now you can maybe just say it at once. What is this?
What is this? This is TÜV approved. This is very important for the German market.
Yeah.
Because everything you fit on your car need to be street legal, and these are TÜV approved and very lightweight.
That's another second question I get. How much do they weigh?
This set of wheels, or this application for the Golf or for Polo, for example, this is 7 by 7.5 by 17 offset 35, and this is about 7.7 kilograms.
Per wheel, so yeah.
Yes, of course, per wheel, and they have a wheel load of 565 kilograms.
Okay, yeah. So you can, yeah, you can run a lot of, yeah.
Yeah, you can run a lot of wheels. More wheel load, it makes no sense, because such heavy cars.
Yeah, on the 17, you don't put it on 17th. No, exactly.
Yeah. Another point, or yes, is you can.
Oh, there's another tractor. Yeah, that's. Can you make ProTracks for that tractor? Another point you were saying.
Another point, which is very, very interesting, and many customers asking, what about the brake clearance?
Yes.
And if it's not clear, what we very often do is customers send us templates from their big brake kit, and we print and cut it out and put it inside the wheel to check. And if it's not 100% clear, we send also wheel samples for testing directly at the car.
That's cool. That's
not wheels we normally sell. We have, I can show you upstairs in the warehouse, we have a special range of wheels we get back from the TÜV approvements. We coat them in any color, and then these are especially for sending to the customers to make brake fitment tests. They want to fit tires on the wheels to check if it's enough space in the wheelhouse. And yes,
That's cool. That's a very nice service, because that's a big question that you might get if you already have big brake kit and you want to change a wheel. In my case, that was no problem. We run StopTech 323, I think. But anyhow,
the StopTech calipers are very massive.
Yeah, they're big.
You need very often spacers, but yeah, we get more and more experience with aftermarket big brake kits, and yes, we can very often say yes, fits, because we have the experience.
Or you need a spacer, or in case like with a AP caliper would fit immediately, probably with no issue. Correct. Yeah, but no, that's awesome.
Maybe interesting point is we don't make custom wheels or custom applications. There are sometimes questions to us: can you make or produce a set of 4, especially offset? And we don't do that, but we store about 5 to 6,500 wheels.
Wow.
To be able to deliver just in time. So if you make the decision for a new set of wheels, just give out a ring or a web shop order, and we deliver just in time. This is the way how we do our business. Store the wheels, deliver when the customer wants.
And you can also deliver them with tires, probably.
Yes, we can fit them with tires. At the moment, I do it by my own, because we don't have an employee for that.
Yeah.
So they are fitted from me or by me. And yes, that's also a service. Wheels or wheels and tires, complete fitted, and send it ready to fit on the car to the customer.
That's cool. And how many design wheels do you have? Because this is usually what we basically run on all of our rental cars.
This is the most common wheel design. It's the ProTrack 1, because it was our first wheel. Then we have, I show you upstairs, we have a ProTrack Force. This is a special wheel for SUVs, bus.
Okay.
With a high wheel load of 860 kilograms.
Wow. So you can jump with it.
Yes, still very lightweight, of course. And we have a forged wheel. It's the Rotor. It's only one size, 8.5 by 20. It's more like to show that we can casted wheels like this. We can flow formed wheels, and we can forged wheels. But of course, the Type 1 is the wheel. We have applications from the small 15-inch up to next year 11 by 19.
Wow.
For the F series M models, they have an optional big brake kit from BMW, the performance brake, 400 millimeters. And for this kit or brakes, we need the 19-inch wheel, and we will have 9.5, 10 and 11 by 19 next year. Approved and street legal.
Yeah. Awesome. Looking forward to it. I see there a poster of a very famous, familiar, one of the most remarkable cars at VLN, of course, the Roots Racing with Tim Schlick. Which type of wheels are they running?
9 by 17.
And the type?
1.
ProTrack 1.
Yes.
So there you have it. So just a street legal wheel with TÜV, run on VLN, the most hard, or NLS, I should say, the hardest racing series, and they're always P1, 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 P1. So that's the best proof, I guess, you can have.
Of course, yes. Team Schrick was one of our first racing teams or customers racing in VLN or
NLS. Yeah, nobody is.
And I guess it's not a secret because they want to swap to another racing class.
Yep.
Make a step to a flat 6. And with this step to a flat 6, there will be a bigger
wheel. Excited to see that. I want to see what's there. I'm pretty sure a lot of people on my channel are gonna tell me hey, show us what that is. And
this is a very Yes, I can say very rear Ford Escort Estate,
Wow.
1976. It's still in from the body or paint shop in what is original.
Is it original color?
Yes, it's original color and the original paint shop.
So it's not like not restored. It's
No, it's
wow.
It's not restored. It's I bought it from a farmer.
Farmer who didn't know what he was selling or
Many
what.
years ago. It was stored outside, and
Okay.
when I bought it, I sanded it with 2000 paper.
Yeah.
And polished it with a machine.
Yeah.
And this is
Wow,
how it
impressive.
looks like. And
So-
it's not a garage or trailer queen. You
Yeah.
can see
You have some bug splats. You killed some bugs with it. Yeah. Wow. Okay, what's underneath the hood? Can we have a look?
Yes, but
It's there.
yeah, that's the reason why it is on the lift.
Okay.
Because I damaged the engine.
Okay.
I made an engine swap from the 1300 cc to a 2-liter Pinto engine with 5-speed.
Okay.
And the complete technique from the RS 2000 model.
Yeah.
Front axle, suspension, rear axle. The seats are from a Capri MK3
Yeah. Wow.
S with a nice Caro design.
Nice. That's
And
so cool.
of course, yes, a set of ProTracks in 8 by 18 front and 9 by 15 rear.
Cool. Wow. And you can fit big exhaust in the back as well.
Yeah, but I will change to here. Is the
The original one.
Yes,
That's cool.
it's too. I'm too old, and the exhaust is too loud.
And it's not really automatic anymore, huh?
No, not. And
You can fit a lot of wheels in there.
yeah. Last year I delivered some wheels to Monday to drive the car because the most time it stand here or stored in the warehouse. I have no time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have no time to drive. It's a shame, but
This is what it is.
but I own it since 2002. 2002.
Oh wow.
Yes.
18 years already.
Yes, but when I sold it in 2005 or 6 and bought it back in 2010.
Oh really?
Yes, because I always was traurig.
Yeah, sad.
Sad about the sale that I sold the car, and I give the customer a ring or the owner a ring, and yes, he was interested in a new Mustang, and this was the right moment to
Get it back from
get it
him.
back.
Cool. Well, congratulations. You did a good job to get it
Yeah.
back. Awesome.
Yes, it's where some guys or many guys ask me if it's has a top job.
Yeah.
This is the
Original.
original with this very long side window, and this is also original. The trunk is just how can or this.
Yeah.
So this is original.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. I mean, I never saw
It looks
such a
a
thing.
little bit like custom made, but
Yeah.
it's
Crazy. It's the first time I see such a model. Cool. Can we have a look in the warehouse on the 6,000 wheels? I think that's going to be the one.
In spring, not in spring, in March it was about 6.5, and now, yes, I have to say, Corona was not negative for us. It was, yes, positive because we sold really a lot of wheels.
Wow.
Yeah.
I must say it's really impressive.
Yeah.
I had to make some sort of fun. Lots of tires. It's also very tiring.
Yes, the AR1s, which are imported in Germany. We store a lot of AR1, some Cup 2, and yeah.
Cool.
It's part of the service, fitting complete wheels and send it to the customers. And this is these are some examples for this wheel examples from TÜV. This is how they come back. These are the ones which don't have to the impact test. They don't. Not every wheel has to pass the impact test. We send a lot of wheels, and they pick out some wheels for the impact, some for the long distance roll test, and these are the good ones. We keep them, and yes.
That's for the fitment test for the customers eventually.
Yes, but they are raw at the moment.
Yeah.
And we give them to the coder, like this one. This is an example. You can see we use it also for test fitments, and this is with powder coated in gold, like.
That's what we have, similar to the color on the M4, I think.
Yes, but this is from the powder coater, and the M4s are
already produced like that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you very much for the tour. I think we covered pretty much everything, together also with the Focus RS. And I'm very much excited to mount those wheels. And well, I already have them on the car, but together with AR1s, that's going to be excited. It's not the best idea to do it on stock suspension, because you're going to have even more body roll, but it will be just a fun thing to do. And after that, with suspension, it's going to be perfect. So looking forward to that. I hope it got you guys curious and excited to check out more, to find out more about ProTrack wheels. We've been running them already. How long have we been running them? Since 2018 at Apex, I think, probably? Or since,
yes, 18.
Yeah, 18. So this is our 3rd year, and I cannot think of any issue except for customers going through the gravel. And even then, the wheel survives. It's all fine. It's like they're very strong. It's been proven on VLN. You can crash the car, but the wheel will survive, yes. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go back to Apex, or not back, but continue driving on to Apex, mount the wheels, do a lap, and see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye. That's the
forged one.
Nice.
Rotor.
It could be our rotor.
Yeah, the name is.
The name is rotor. I think like the Manta Racing rotor.
No. It's.
Well, instead of the foot shot, you have the wheel shot. Nice.
Yeah.